What's going on, everybody? It's been quite some time. I took off a few weeks at Sturgis, a couple weeks to edit the videos from Sturgis for you guys. I do have two more videos from Sturgis, one about the beautiful orange 2022 Road Glide CVO that I was riding in Sturgis. And then I'm going to definitely do a video basically to tell you about the entire trip and just what I thought of Sturgis. But in today's video, I'm here to tell you Silverback is gone. But we do have a new bike for the Cycle Fanatix channel. I'm not going to waste any more time. I'll show you guys what it is. And then after that, I'll explain to you why I went with this particular bike. Here it is. All right, guys, there it is. 2022 Road Glide Vivid Black Standard with the 107. Start smashing away at those comments. Let me know what you guys think. And here is my kind of decision making for purchasing this bike. A lot of you guys probably were wondering, is it going to be a Street Glide? I kind of hinted towards a Road King. I really honestly was going to get a Road King, but I'll tell you what happened. A lot of you guys probably thought I was gonna go back to the Road Glide. I'm just gonna tell you right now, my personal favorite bike as far as all the baggers, Road Glide, Street Glide, and Road King, my favorite is the Road Glide. And I'll tell you why. The shark nose to me is my favorite look out of all the baggers. But in perfect honesty, I was really going for the Road King. And I was going to purchase a Road King Standard and put the FXR fairing on it. But while I was searching for a bike, they were hard to get, and I'll tell you why. With bikes being scarce, I was looking for a standard Road King black chrome 107, and I wanted ABS. I didn't want the RDRS, I just wanted ABS. And for the main reason is I ride all the time, whether in the winter, when it's cold out, in the rain, in all types of conditions. So I definitely wanted to have the ABS. That was pretty much my one thing that I wanted on the bike. But here became the problem. When I was looking for a Road King standard with ABS, it was either a Road King Special, which I didn't want to spend the extra money, and I'll tell you why in a minute, but it was either the Road King Special, a Road King Standard, but with RDRS and ABS, or they had a bunch of Road Kings that didn't have anything, no RDRS and no ABS. That's really the main reason why I didn't get it, because I wanted the ABS. But then there was some other things where I was going to have to purchase for the Road King, purchase the fairing, and then I wouldn't have any audio. I wouldn't have the infotainment system, infotainment screen, where then I was thinking about, I always use that screen now with the Apple CarPlay. Instead of looking down at my phone, I look straight ahead and there is the GPS. My Waze is on there, music, the Apple CarPlay. So this does have the upgraded radio on it. And that was kind of the other pushing point for me to go back to a Road Glide, is because with the Road King, I wouldn't be able to get nothing near this. If I got the Road King FXR fairing, it would have just been the fairing. I would have had to spend some extra money and get the fairing, get it painted. You have to kind of move the headlight. So it was a lot of, you know, funny business going on as far as, you know, just getting the fairing on and situated. I would have had no music. I wouldn't have had the infotainment center. That was the second reason why I went back to the Road Glide. So a lot of you guys may be thinking, why did I just get a standard? Why didn't I get a special? Why didn't I get a CVO or whatever? So obviously this is going to be the next bike build on the channel for at least 2 years. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm looking at it. Okay, you guys can't see it because the camera's facing that way. I already have a shitload of parts. I have, the garage is literally full, and there's so many more parts coming to JD Cycle Works that are on the way. I'm gonna tell you in the next video what my thoughts are, what we're going to do to this bike, so I can't wait to tell you. If you guys are new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be making, obviously, a playlist with this build, so everybody and anybody could follow along the entire process of this build, just like they did with Silverback, that whole process, which took 2 years to do. So yeah, so this is gonna be really exciting. But the reason why I wanted a standard is because I'm going to be taking off pretty much, I can't say everything, but I'm gonna be taking off a big, gigantic portion of the parts, of the products that are on this bike, to replace them with more better parts and more upgraded parts that are going to be more comfortable, better braking, better handling, and so on and so forth. So I'm sure you guys understand. So that's why I didn't want to spend the money and get something like a special or above, and then having to take those parts off. It just didn't really make sense. So I know the standard comes with the 107, but trust me when I tell you, you'll see what we're going to do to it. It's going to be plenty. And if you guys remember what we were talking about in a video a couple months ago, we're gonna be shaving some weight off of this thing. So remember what I was talking about, power to weight ratio? Well, it's going to take a big part in this bike as far as how much power, how fast it's going to be, and how well it handles. So let me tell you guys, start giving me them comments. Let me know what you guys think. And I can't wait for the next video. I'm just gonna make a short video for you guys today. I still have 2 more videos from the Sturgis Rally, one about the orange CVO, and another one just basically me talking about the rally, what my thoughts were, what I thought of the rally, the roads, the riding out there, and everything else. But I appreciate you guys loving the Sturgis videos. It really was an amazing time. And what I'm super excited about this build is that a lot of the parts, pretty much all of the parts that we're going to be doing to this bike, and we need a name. So also comment down below, let's get a name for the new bike, all right? A lot of the parts for this bike are gonna be so different than what we did on Silverback, and that's why I'm really excited. I could tell you right now that we're pretty much not going to be doing anything the same as far as the parts go. Some manufacturers are going to be the same, some are going to be different, but as far as the parts, they're not going to be the same. They're going to be different. It's going to be a totally different build. It's going to have a totally different purpose, and we'll go over that probably in the next video. So like I said, smash that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think of the bike, and also give me a comment. Let me know what we could name our Vivid Black 2022 Road Glide, because not only is it going to be my bike, but it is going to be your guys' bike, all right, for the channel, at least for the next 2 to 3 years. So give me a good name. I can't wait to read them all. And love you guys. Thanks for following. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. And there she is.